How to start an LLC in Virginia. Starting an LLC in Virginia through BizE is a simple process. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step to ensure you complete it correctly. Step 1. Select your entity type. Choose LLC as your entity type. Step 2. Choose your state. Select Virginia as your LLC's formation state and click Get Started. Step 3. Select an LLC package. BizE offers 3 packages. Basic, prepares and files your articles of organization. Pro, includes an EIN, operating agreement, and compliance documents. And Premium, everything in Pro plus a business website and domain. Choose the package that fits your needs. Step 4. Enter your LLC name. Enter a unique name that meets Virginia's naming rules. It must include LLC and be distinguishable from existing businesses. Step 5. Choose your filing time. Standard, free, takes about 3 weeks. Expedited, paid, processes in about 1 business day. Step 6. Enter your information such as your name, phone number, and email to receive updates on your LLC filing. Step 7. Enter your business address. Provide your business address if needed. BizE can provide one. Step 8. Choose your management structure. Select how your LLC will be managed and how many members. Step 9. Appoint a registered agent. Every Virginia LLC must designate a registered agent with a physical address in the state. Step 10. Set up your EIN. It is required to open a business bank account, file taxes, or hire employees. BizE will obtain this for you if you selected Pro or Premium. Step 11. Enter payment information. Enter your payment details to finalize your LLC formation. Once your payment is processed, BizE will handle the filing. You'll receive confirmation and updates via email, and your Virginia LLC is now in progress. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.